Okay. So, hypaxial muscles. There is the external oblique. Fold that back. You want to find the arc. So that tells you this is internal oblique, and this is transversus abdominis, closer to the midline. And then your rectus abdominis are these straps running all the way up here. So pectoral complex. You got this V-shaped muscle is pectoralis profundus, and you have the triangular shape pectoralis transversus, and the strap that sits on top of transversus is pectoralis descendens. So trapezius complex. Get that here. Put this back up here. So you've got two muscles here. Cervical trapezius is this triangular, more or less triangular muscle here. Anything that has cervical or cervicis is referencing the neck region. Thoracic trapezius is this big sheet here. Anything that's referencing thoracic or thoracis or something is pretty much referencing this area of the body. So that's these two, cervical trapezius, thoracic trapezius. Sternocleidomastoid muscles. You have the sternomastoid, which we can talk about it more when we get to the neck. That's where you find it really. But the sternomastoid kind of makes a V right here. It comes into that same spot that pectoralis descendens comes in. So sternomastoid. And then if we're moving dorsally, the next one up is the cladomastoid. So that's this strap here. And then the clado-occipital is just the next one up. Clado-occipital runs from the neck to right about here, where it meets the cladobrachial, and we'll see that in just a minute. Superficial muscles of the shoulder. So if we pull cervical trapezius back this way, you can see omotransversarius kind of runs along with it. So cladobrachial, we just looked at that, comes down to the brachium and meets with clado-occipital, which is there. Alright, so more superficial muscles of the actual scapula. So you have this, you have acromio